narinig naman ninyo, kung naalala ninyo, ano bang mga corrections natin doon?
Corrections, it's okay, but I vote for the approval of the minutes of the last meeting.
Okay, so Bing is suggesting that the minutes of the previous meeting last May, what? June 1 is to be approved. That is his suggestion. Any seconded by Sister Josie Velasco. Okay. Soon I will not know your name, ano? Kaya ngayon kasi ngayon hindi ko pag-ano. Some of you I know. Kasi nakasama ko na sila before. Okay, so now, any business arising from the minutes? Any business arising? Okay. So, after the approval of the minutes, so any business arising? When I say, of course, the business arising, yung bang, yung nangyari, ano bang yung masasabi? Yung hindi pa nangyari ba? Okay. Okay, so there's okay, so there's a business arising. The outcome is Congress, okay. Assembly. Anyway, when we say Congress, ano yung Congress tayo? Congress, of course, Assembly. Remember, Assemblyman? Noong panahon, ang tawag sa kanila ay Assemblymen. Because Assembly yan. Anyway, pareho lang naman yan. Assembly and Congress, they may be the same. Okay? So, importante lang pagtitipon, pagkakilala, pagkasama-sama,